Hi, so welcome back. I'm Alison. This is So Like Dotty. I am not driving, I should say at this point. Carl is, and we're off on a little impromptu trip out in the northeast. We're going to Blythe, which is actually in Northumberland. Is that right, Carl?
Yes.
Yes. I'm not from here, can you tell? So I am a little bit excited because Carl said today I wouldn't mind going to another boys, or you're going on Monday with Vicky. Hello, Vicky, from the Fibre Sewist. And would you get me another one of those penguin t-shirts that he got in Scarborough? Of course, I said yes. And then I said, oh, we could go to South Shields because I think there's a boys there, but we'll check it sells fabric before we go. Anyway, Carl went on the boys' website, and there's a new store opening at Blythe today. I know. So I rang up just to check that they do sell fabric. Sorry, I'm using this little gadgety thing, so if I keep going off screen, just bear with me. So I rang up just to check they do have fabric, because the Cramlington one doesn't, and I was devastated when that opened and it didn't sell fabric, but they do. So I don't really need any. I've made a big proclamation on Wednesday to Linda at Sawtoon saying I don't need any more fabric. But yeah, I'm going to go for a look anyway. Hopefully I'm going to record. I'm sure they'll be all right about that, and let's see what happens. So I'll catch you later. Bye for now. So as you can see, there's quite a good range. This one had a large selection of cottons than some of these in the Reader Hanson ones. They seem to come in around £9, which I think is pretty standard. It's just really nice to actually seal and feel them. Then a really good choice of dobbies, lots of different colours in those. Really nice and soft. They were £6 a metre. Just going back down to those florals now. And then quite a lot of plain cottons again on the rolls there, and pattern cottons. Everything just looks so shiny and new. Really nice selection in some boutiques. And then coming in, I think those were viscoses on the bottom there, and small cottons, different ones there. Just opened today. And then some cotton lawns. They were Korean cotton lawns, looked really nice. And then a lot of these ones here were polycotton, so I didn't spend an awful lot of time with those because I'm not keen personally on polycotton. It's just that polyester feel. I did really like these ones here. These were like a satin, but they were a polyester based satin when I went back and had another look. And then moving along, all of these are Nerida Hanson ones, I think, here. Again, £9 a metre. Really nice quality. I don't know if you can see the prices there. And then this is just a fun one, more of that later. And the green floral one above it was reduced, but I didn't look at the price of that. There were lots more that I would have gone for if I'd not recently done the fabric haul. Sorry if you can hear the dog in the background. So this was around the corner. These were a viscose jersey, £4.50 a metre and £5 a metre. As you can see, the rolls are brand new, unopened, and these are the ones that I got at Scarborough. So they're all £5 or £4.50 a metre. They're all a viscose. And this blue one here, I've got that in lilac for a dress. And then these are just coming around to sort of various different ones like linen fabrics and things here. But I'm going to take you around to the end. You've got some upholstery fabrics and things on these rolls here as well, so I didn't want to miss those out. It might be something of interest. And then some John Loudon Christmas fabrics on the end, round to the Haberdashery. Quite a good range of buttons. And ribbons. I think there were some more ribbons further round. Your trims there. They do generally have quite a good haberdashery in boys. They had lots of bag bits there as well. I think these are the elastics and things there. Zips. Everything covered, really. I was quite impressed with it. Some little embroidery kits and things there. And then coming down, lots of those little Christmas ones there. And some foam. And then we're going to go around the corner after we've got some more house sort of fabrics as well, like home fabrics. There was a little stand there with like little poppers and things on, loads of wool. I didn't go up that aisle, but loads of wool. And then over to like your facing, your interfacing, and all your haberdashery on this stall here, like a really broad range. Lots of crochet and hooks, knitting needles and things there as well. And I did spot the dial-on out the corner of my eye because I don't have anywhere local I can just buy that now, so that's great. And a really, really good range of Gutermann threads and overlocker threads as well there. And then just slightly further along, you've got some quartz moon threads that I'm going to come to in just a second. There were some more overlocker threads there as well, and that was the quartz. So we are going to head over to the beach. There's some lovely beach houses here, and we're just going to grab something to eat in our hands, a sandwich or something like that, and get a drink. And then when I get home, I might show you what I got, all of which needs to be made in the next week. So if you have watched my sewing plans for September, I'll drop a card in here for that. That's about to change. I'll see you soon. Hi everybody, well I'm back home now. As you can see, I have emptied my bag, but it all needs to go in the wash. I'm going to talk you through what I actually got. You'll have already seen the footage there. Lots of the fabrics that I got in my first fabric haul, the viscoses that were £5, the red and pink animal print, a few different ones they had in there. That's where I pointed my finger if you saw that. They've got a really good range, and it's a lot of them are rolls that still have the tape on. It's not that they've just had loads of stuff shipped in from other stores that are half rolls and things. So I got 4 fabrics, none of which I really needed before I went, but all of which I'm going to make up over the next week. So what I'm going to do is, I've got some of the footage from today that I'm going to share with you, but what I'm going to do is vlog the next week. So that will go out next Sunday, a week from today, and you'll see me frantically trying to make all my holiday makes, most of which fabrics you've seen, but we'll see how we get on. We'll also see what else I get up to that week, if that's okay. So shall we get started? The first one, really simple, but what I realised when I was doing my plans vlog with you guys for a couple of days ago, I'll pop a card in for that. I've got one white top, one plain white top, and it would be definitely in my best interest to have 2 white tops. I mean, I'm not the sort of least sloppiest person in the world. I'm just looking at me hair survived. It's been quite windy but beautiful where we've been, but my hair still survived. So I got this white dobby. Nothing earth-shattering, you can pick up dobby anywhere. I mean, some of these weren't maybe, I don't know how well the camera will pick up the dobby effect on it, probably won't. But I think most of you'll know what a dobby looks like. Let's unravel it, see if you, yeah, you can see that better. The thing with dobby is, as you can see, it's always see-through. So I've got enough of this that I can sort of double layer the front. I'm not so worried about the back. I'd have like a neutral coloured bra on with it anyway, and the sleeves are fine. But I'm thinking if I double layer the front, I do think I've got some white viscose chalice that I was thinking I could line the front with, but then I thought they both might wash differently after I've made it. So there's definitely enough to make this. So I'll share how I get on with that, what I do with it later in the week. So that was £6 a metre. I think that's quite a good price for dobby. I've certainly seen it more expensive than that, but I think it's absolutely fine. So it's a cotton dobby. The next one was listed at £5 a metre. Now you'll have seen me share this fabric in black. In fact, I'm taking some pants on holiday in it in black, but then I saw this colour. Now this was listed on the tag as £5 a metre, but when they scanned it and put it through, it's gone through at £3 a metre. Actually, it still hasn't. I'm not sure how this has gone through. So they put through 2.5 metres at £3, but it's come up as £7.50, which is £2.5 a metre. Bargain. I think the last time I bought this in black, I maybe got it with a slight discount from Flirters for £7 or £8 a metre. So you probably will recognise it. And I just absolutely love this in the black. So I wasn't going to walk away from it in the blue. Really, really nice. So these are It's going in the wash straight after this. So that's an absolute bargain for that one. Even at £5 a metre it was a bargain, I'll be honest, but at £7.50 for the whole lot, 2.5 metres, happy days, that's well and truly a bargain. Okay, third one I got was a Nerida Hansen fabric, and this is a cotton voile. Don't think I bought cotton voile before. They had a lot of Nerida Hansen fabrics in, which I didn't see in the Scarborough store. I am going to Bladen with Vicky on Monday, as I said, so I'll kind of update you after that about what sort of things are in that store. I'm probably not going to buy after today, but, you know, famous last words. So this was £9 a metre. I got 2.5 metres of this, so that came to £22.50. Yeah, it's called Sunny Days. You'll recognise it. It's one of the ones that's been kicking around for the summer. But obviously I'm thinking this with the white top will be lovely. So you will find out very soon what I've got planned for this. It's very soft, I've got to say. They had lots of Nerida Hansen fabrics in, some of which you'll have seen as I've gone through. But there was two that I was thinking about, but I just, with what I've got in mind, I think this one will be really, really nice. So happy days, I think that's absolutely spot on. And then my final fabric, I did lift this up on the little tour of the fabric shop. I just couldn't walk away and not pick it up because I just love it. It is so fun and it's so holiday, and I have to make it this week because otherwise it'll just sit on the shelf till like my next holiday, which is February. So this was £10 a metre. So this was the most expensive one I got. It's a viscose and it is called, let me have a look. I don't know what brand it is. It doesn't say, it just says conversational print. Well, at least it doesn't say, what did that lady say? It was a bit out there about that fabric, so it doesn't say that. Conversational print, viscose multi, £10 a metre. And this is going to be a dress. I'm going to tell you what this one's going to be. I just think it's absolutely like fabulous. Can you see that blue bike there? I have a bike that is exactly the same colour and everything as that. Can you see I hope you can see it as I'm showing it. This little sort of truck here. I know where we're going to stay. It's got like the old-fashioned shutters on the window. What else has it got on? Cars. And then you go back to the same print again, and then further down, what have we got? Like a restaurant. Don't know, what does that say? Welcome. Sorry, you can probably read it and I can't. The home of something and coffee. What does that say? I don't know. That's backwards actually. Palm trees, pink cars. Oh, look at these two lovely ladies there. Can you see that? I absolutely love this. Let me sort of put that up. I just think that is like the most perfect fabric for a holiday dress, really. So these are going to go in the washing machine now. I'm going to close off today's vlog. It was very impromptu. I literally didn't know I was going. We've had the most lovely day, but I'm going to share the rest of the day with you on my week vlog, so you will see that really, really soon. I may even have the same clothes on because I'm going to start recording today. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you have a lovely Sunday if you're watching this on Sunday. As always, I hope you're getting lots of sewing done. Let me know what you think of the fabrics, and let me know what you're busy and sewing with, and take care guys. Bye for now.